Welcome to this overview of the rhetorical situation. Have you ever decided to take a trip, plan a party, or start a special project? In order for any of these ventures to be successful, you need to plan. For example, if you are taking a trip, there are a number of things that you must consider before actually setting out. You must think about the mode of transportation you will take, where you're going to stay, how much money you're going to need, and what to pack. In order to ensure that everything goes smoothly, you must take some time to think about the trip before you actually set off. Writing is like a trip in that it too can be considered a journey. Writing an essay, for example, cannot be accomplished in just one easy step. When we set out to write, be it a short story or a research paper, we need a plan. This plan in academic writing is called the writing process. Before we put pen to paper or fingertips to keyboard, we must take time to think about the parameters of a particular assignment. In this first step, we consider what is called the rhetorical situation or the writing situation. First, we think about the topic about which we write. Then we should consider the purpose for which we are writing. Are we telling a story, for example, about ourselves, or persuading a reader to do something? Our audience is another important consideration. Who's going to be reading our paper? Our role, who we are as authors, should be another point of reflection. And we must remember that we write in a specific time, place, and culture, and this is the writing context. Finally, we must take into consideration the genre of a piece and other special requirements of a particular assignment. In our enthusiasm to get started on a writing assignment, we sometimes make the mistake of jumping right in without taking the time to thoroughly consider the demands of the rhetorical situation. We receive a writing topic, and in our zeal to get the job done, we skip over some very important preliminary steps. By not taking the time to assess the rhetorical situation, we wind up with a composition lacking in quality and in meaning. Don't forget the old adage, to think before you speak. Or, shall we say, plan before you write.